Hi everybody, if you want to learn what the phrase "at short notice" means, then keep watching to learn and practice with me. Welcome back to English for Professionals. I'm Derek and I'm here with another short lesson for you busy people. So, what does the phrase "at short notice" mean? Let's take a look at it in this short dialogue. Congratulations, Daniel, your presentation was excellent. Really? Did you think so? Yeah, absolutely. I know the boss asked you to do it at short notice, but it was great. Thanks. I'm happy to hear that. Yeah, I only found out about it yesterday, so I didn't have much time to prepare. So, what do you think it means? Did you get an idea from the context? Well, if you do something at short notice, it means you have very little time to prepare for it. You have very little time to prepare. Let's have a look at some more examples. Thanks for agreeing to meet me at such short notice. Say it with me. Thanks for agreeing to meet me at such short notice. As you can see in this example, we sometimes use such before short to emphasize that there is very little time to prepare. Thanks for agreeing to meet me at such short notice. Unfortunately, we had to cancel the meeting at short notice. Say it with me. Unfortunately, we had to cancel the meeting at short notice. Now let's go back to the dialogue we saw earlier and practice reading together. You read Marcus's part and I'll read Daniel's. So you begin. As soon as you see the dialogue, you can start. Are you ready? Let's try it. Really? Did you think so? Thanks. I'm happy to hear that. Yeah, I only found out about it yesterday, so I didn't have much time to prepare. Great, now let's practice one last time. This time I've taken the phrase out of the dialogue. Can you remember it? Let's try it. Really? Did you think so? Thanks. I'm happy to hear that. Yeah, I only found out about it yesterday, so I didn't have much time to prepare. So that brings us to the end of another short lesson. I hope you found it helpful and I hope you get the chance to practice that phrase soon. If you like the lesson, please hit the like button and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already and join my email list. Every 2 weeks I send out my Vocabulary Extra newsletter with additional business English, words from the news and everyday English for you to learn. Check it out, the link is in the description below. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next lesson.